You can think of galaxies as some kind of a condensation, like when you have water droplets forming in the air during a mist, resembling a condensation of dark matter and gas in the general matter that is distributed throughout space.
Something makes it condense, and then when you have this condensation of all this material, then you can start to make it cold, and you have the condition that is required to start forming stars. So we don't have stars everywhere in the universe, only in these condensations.
This is Johan Finnboe, professor at the Cosmic Dawn Center at the Niels Bohr Institute at Copenhagen University.
We can look at our own galaxy, the Milky Way. This enormous system. It takes the light 100,000 years to travel from one end to the other. So we say it's 100,000 light years large. And it has maybe 200 billion stars. It also has a lot of dark matter. I mean, most of the material of the Milky Way galaxy is something we don't really know what is, which we call dark matter. So this is what we call a galaxy.
What we humans realized quite early in the last century is that galaxies haven't always been there. They were not there from the beginning, and they weren't there when the universe was formed by the Big Bang.
So they have sort of appeared in the history of the universe. So then you can ask, what are the early galaxies? What are the process by which the universe makes these beautiful objects? Very early in the universe, there was some kind of process which is called cosmic inflation. So there was a very, very rapid expansion, so that what we now see as this gigantic universe, I mean, billions of light years, that was really a tiny, tiny microscopic area. And then in this little microscopic piece of the universe, there were tiny quantum phenomena, fluctuations. And this was then blown up on this cosmological scale and sort of making small deviations in the distribution of matter. So that we can think of as the seeds. These condensations, they came from these seeds. And then what happens is that gravity works. So if you had a part of the universe that had one of these seeds, then that part of the universe will expand like the rest, but a little bit slower. You cannot really catch up with the rest of the universe because it's too fat. And then it will reach a maximal extent and then will collapse again.
We know that there are other planets. We know that every star has at least one planet. We also know that there are other planets like the Earth in the same kind of distance from their stars as we are.
That condition for life is many other places. But how difficult it is to make life, we don't know. And how difficult it is to make someone like us, we don't know. But there are so many stars. So I would say probably there's some life somewhere else. That would be strange otherwise.
Stay curious.